Han Solo. I'm captain of the Millennium Falcon. You've never heard of the Millennium Falcon? I've outrun Imperial starships.
Chewie, get us out of here!
Don't everybody thank me at once.
Pokey religions and ancient weapons are no match for a good blaster at your side, kid.
This is ridiculous.
What are you talking about?
I'm not going anywhere. What?
Everything's perfectly all right now. We're fine. We're all fine here now. Thank you. How are you?
Get in there, you big furry oaf! I don't care what you smell! Yeah! Ah! I got a bad feeling about this. Great kid! Don't get cocky! Yahoo!
I thought they smelled bad on the outside.
Good morning. Nice of you guys to drop by.
That's a good story. I think you just can't bear to let a gorgeous guy like me out of your sight.
Laugh it up, fuzzball. Who's scruffy looking?
Ow! I'm glad you're here to tell us these things. Don't get excited. You could be a little nicer, though. I like the sound of that.
Look, don't worry. Everything's gonna be fine. Trust me.
I know.
I don't know. Fly casual.
I love you.